If you saw some kids from Africa making some dance-like motion and performing acrobatics, what would be the first thing that comes to mind? You know, martial arts, or maybe just some African kids dancing and having a good time. If you thought martial arts, I'd say you just don't know enough. But if you thought dance, then you're absolutely correct, because the most acrobatic dance you can find from out of Africa, possibly from out of anywhere in the world, whose sole purpose is just to have fun, would come out of the eastern part of Nigeria, and that dance is called Atilogwu. Yes, Atilogwu is a dance performed by people of all age groups. You know, they can be young children and they could be, you know, grown-ass men and women. Yeah, you know, so doesn't matter, people under 10 all the way to over 50 or 60, you know. And that's because the nature of the dance is so complex and beautiful that, well, you gotta have instrumentalists, right? You gotta have singers, and then you gotta have different kinds of dance happening side by side. You know, the troop building the tars, you know, performing various formations, doing the acrobatics, the jumps, and of course the powerful energetic dance. One of the most powerful dances you're gonna see coming out of Africa. So come on guys, let's know what you thought about this dance steps. Do you find them enjoyable? Do you think you could learn some of those dance steps? Do you have dances like this coming out of your own country? You know, I remember that dance from Namibia where people jump real high. Well, we do that here also. And so let us know what other dances you have from your place that are as acrobatic and as fun. And tell us if you like this video. Tell us if you'd like to see other videos like this. And of course, give us a like, share this video with anyone who should see it, and don't forget to leave a comment or comments. Yes, and subscribe if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, and when you do, don't forget to turn on notifications so that you're aware of all new content coming out of the channel. So thank you all for watching, and go watch more videos on the SEVICS Africa YouTube channel.